In today's upcycled sewing project, I am going to show you how I made a simple dress using a thrift store fine fabric. This was also a leftover fabric from a previous sewing project that I made last year. I absolutely love the fabric and I thought I can make another dress with a different design. Now let's go ahead and get started. So first thing, I will be using this sewing patterns that I drape a few months ago. The fit was perfect and I wanted to make some variations. So today it's going to be changing the neckline. So the original pattern has sweetheart neckline. I decided to just do a straight neckline. So as you can see here, the center front is straight. I matched the correct size of the fabrics and I'm going to stitch right along the princess seams. I also decided to make the back bodice pattern one piece instead of two pieces. Also, I trimmed off the V waistline because I was terrified of it. I repeated the same thing to the lining fabric. The skirt is A-line, but it is twice the width of the bodice waistline, so I can gather it. Don't forget to find the center fold of the bodice and the skirt, so it's much easier to gather the fabric, so you will have like an even distribution of fabrics. This sewing project was a zero waste project, which I'm absolutely excited about. This is probably one of the easiest dresses that I've ever made. I completed this in 2 days. Plus the fabric is cotton, so it was super easy to work with. Next, I will add the lining. I match the right sides of the fabrics, making sure that the seams are lined up and stitch across the neckline. Then I grade it. I press the seams and I'm going to understitch it. So understitching is sewing the lining onto itself. And it's looking pretty good. I am very happy with the bodice. The waistline is very snatched. Now it's time to sew the invisible zipper. I pulled the lining out and I'm going to place the zipper tape right at the edge of the seam allowance. And I like to mark the zipper tape, so I match it like at the top, in the middle, and where the zipper is going to end. If you are still watching, I totally appreciate you being here, and if you have any question about the sewing project so far, just leave them in the comments down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you have any suggestion or if you just want to say hello to me, just post it in the comments below. Then I am simply going to mirror what I did on this side to the other side of the fabric. I'm also making sure that the zipper is going to close, making sure that the tape is not twisted. And as you can see here, because I marked it, it's so much easier to match it up. Then I check the zipper one more time, making sure it's going to close. Once I am certain it's time to, ouch! I meant sew along the zipper tape. I turn the fabric wrong side out and close the back seam. Then I will trim the zipper. I'm going to secure it first, then trim it off. I pulled out the lining and fold it just like this, fold it out. Then I am just going to stitch right along here to enclose the zipper tape. Turn the fabric right side out and it should look something like this. If you want, you can trim the corners, but I tend to skip that part because I ruined a perfectly good corner before by trimming it off and I cut in too much and I ruined the top. Then I am going to fold in the lining allowance and I'm going to hand stitch it all the way around. And if you notice, the inside of the dress looks nice and tidy. It's perfection. Because I'm not a fan of strapless dresses, I decided I'm going to create something to go along the shoulders. I did not have enough fabric for the detail that I wanted to do, so I just got up like strips of fabrics that I can piece together. And here I was fiddling around how I am going to attach it. So first I put it to the side and then I decided to create straps instead, but I was just like, nah, maybe I need to kind of figure this out. So I just pin it right on the edge like this, and I did not like the way it looked, so I tried another style. So I pinned it this way and I tried it on and it was perfect. It looks stunning on the mannequin, and when I tried it on, I was blown away. I absolutely love it. It's very flattering, and I just love this print. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like this dress tutorial. And if you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye!